Welcome to GK at Amosri.
Which place has won the Best Heritage Tourism Village of 2024 award? A. Karnataka, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Andhra, D. Assam. C. Andhra in Manipur won the Best Tourism Village award in the Heritage category at the 2024 Best Tourism Villages competition, and also this award was given by the Ministry of Tourism during the World Tourism Day celebration in New Delhi. Which film won the Best Hindi Film Award at the National Film Award in 2024? A. Gulmohar, B. Kantara, C. Ponniyin Selvan, D. Fauja. A. Gulmohar won the Best Hindi Film Award at the 70th National Film Award in 2024. How many Bharat Ratna Award were given in 2024? A7, B5, C4, D6. B5. In 2024, this honor was bestowed upon 5 distinguished personalities or Karpuri Thakur, L.K. Advani, P.V. Narasimha Rao, Charan Singh and M.S. Swaminathan. How many personalities have been awarded with the Padma Award in 2024? A. 101, B. 127, C. 180, D. 132. D. 132. From this, 5 recipients got Padma Vibhushan, 17 recipients got Padma Bhushan, and 110 recipients got Padma Shri Awards. Which Indian has been awarded the Goldman Environmental Prize in 2024? A. Shivani Bala, B. Purnima Devi, C. Alok Chukla, D. Charudatta Mishra. C. Alok Chukla. Besides, he led a community campaign to protect 445 acres of forest in Chhattisgarh from 21 planned coal mines. Who has recently won the title of Miss India 2024? A. Dhruvi Patel, B. Riya Sinha, C. Nikita Porwal, D. Nandini Gupta. C. Nikita Porwal from Madhya Pradesh was crowned Femina Miss India World 2024. Who won Miss India Worldwide title in 2024? A. Preeti Kamath, B. Shreya Sinha, C. Rachel Gupta, D. Dhruvi Patel. D. Dhruvi Patel as well as Liza Abdullah of Suriname was the runner-up of Miss India Worldwide 2024. Which film was awarded the best film in IFA 2024? A. Animal, B. Jawal, C. 12th Fail, D. Gadar 2. A. Animal, directed by Sandeep Reddy Vanga. Which actor was recently honored with the Dada Saheb Phalke Award? A. Mithun Chakravarti, B. Anupam Kher, C. Pankaj Tripathi, D. Sunny Deol. A. Mithun Chakravarti. He was recently honored with the Dada Saheb Phalke Award at 70th National Film Award ceremony on 8th October 2024. Who has been awarded the 2024 Nobel Prize in Physics? A. Geoffrey Hinton, B. John Hopfield, C. Victor Ambrose, D. Both A and B. D. Both A and B. In 2024, Nobel Prize in Physics has been awarded to John Hopfield and Geoffrey Hinton for fundamental discoveries and innovation that enable machine learning with artificial neural networks. Which Indian received the Whitley Gold Award 2024? A. Purnima Devi Barman, B. Charudatta Mishra, C. Sanjay Verma, D. Ravichandran Gandhi. A. Purnima Devi Burman is a wildlife biologist from Assam in India, won the 2024 Whitley Gold Award. Who has been awarded the 2024 Nobel Prize in Chemistry? A. David Bhaskar, B. Demis Hassabis, C. John M. Jumper, D. Olaf Dabo. D. Olaf Dabo. David Bhaskar, Demis Hassabis, and John Jumper for their work on protein structure and design. Who has been awarded the prestigious 2024 Sastra Ramanujan Prize? A. Rita Sinha, B. Adinarayana Doti, C. Alexander Dunn, D. Rujiang Zhang. C. Alexander Dunn, honoring mathematical excellence from Georgia Institute of Technology, US. Which Indian recently received IAF World Space Award for Chandrayaan-3 mission? A. Manoj Goel, B. P.K. Mishra, C. S. Somnath, D. Pavan Kumar. C. S. Somnath. He is a ISRO chairman, received prestigious World Space Award for Chandrayaan-3, showcasing India's excellence in space exploration. Who won Singapore Literature Prize 2024? A. Michael Hoffman, B. Prasanthi Ram, C. Purnima Devi, D. None of these. B. Prasanthi Ram. Indian origin literature Prasanthi Ram wins for English fiction. Who won the Bollywood Best Actress Award at SEMA 2024? A. Alia Bhatt, B. Aishwarya Rai, C. Deepika Padukone, D. Shraddha Kapoor. B. Aishwarya Rai, and she won South Indian International Film Award for her performance in Ponniyin Selvan Part 2. Who won the Miss Universe India 2024 title? A. Urvashi Rautela, B. Aditi Hundia, C. Riya Singha, D. Durvi Patil. C. Riya Sinha, as well as she is 19-year-old from Gujarat, made history by being crowned Miss Universe India 2024. Which film has been selected as India's official entry for Oscar 2025? A. 12th Fail, B. Animal, C. Lapta Ladies, D. Jawan. C. Lapta Ladies. The Film Federation of India announced the selection after choosing it from 29 entries submitted from across India. Who won the Best FIFA Men's Player Award 2024? A. Lionel Messi, B. Neymar, C. Haaland, D. Cristiano Ronaldo. A. Lionel Messi, one of the greatest football players. Who has been awarded the Grand Collar of the Order of Timor-Leste? A. Narendra Modi, B. Draupadi Murmu, C. Smriti Irani, D. Nirmala Sitharaman. B. Draupadi Murmu. Our president received this award for recognizing for her achievements in public service and dedication of education, social welfare and empowerment of women. Answer for last video was Kanchenjunga is the pride of Sikkim and the highest peak in India, standing tall at 8,586 meters and the third highest peak in the world. And also, Nanda Devi is the second highest peak in India. The video is available on iQuote. Who has been awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 2024? Friends, kindly drop your answer on comment box. Kindly subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you.